5.93%. Those are the top business stories of the day so far. And now, let's go to TSE Stock Marketplace and CTV's Larry Stout.
Thanks very much. It's happened to most of us at one time or another. Our computer crashes, or it's infected by a virus. It could be damaged by smoke or fire. If you're in business, it could be a disaster affecting your bottom line. How do you retrieve all of that lost information? Enter CBL, a Markham, Ontario-based company that has become a leader in Canada in the retrieval of lost information. Its president and CEO is Bill Margison. Welcome, Bill.
Thank you.
I was really interested in reading over this material and looking at the number of firms you've dealt with, but what, in essence, has been the most difficult challenge you faced?
I think the most difficult one was one we did earlier this year. A civil engineering firm in Venezuela had suffered a flood and a subsequent mudslide, and all their computers were underwater. We had to recover from 17 different hard drives. These drives were sent to us sealed in Ziploc bags and frozen. And we did them one at a time. Took about 11 weeks.
11 weeks. How about the whole issue of security? You're dealing with an engineering firm, but you've also signed a deal with China. You deal with government organizations. How do you make certain that the information you retrieve remains secret?
For example, the People's Republic of China, it was paramount that security be always in place. So we developed this remote technology that allows us to create like a double-blind situation where we don't really take the data or even read their data. We simply, from our Markham-based lab, will issue some commands to our software, which in turn does some work within China, recovering data, and never do we use the internet to ever take any data.
You've developed unique software, have you, to exercise these retrievals?
Yes, we have some proprietary tools we use with remote technology, but we've also developed some quick fixes for specific viruses that are going to hit. For example, Chernobyl may occur anytime, historically April 26th, so it could be tomorrow, and we have a quick fix for that, and that's our approach to the solution. Each virus is different, so each quick fix will be different.
And what should people do to make sure that their information really isn't lost?
Two things. Back up your data regularly, and we always recommend a fire drill. Try and restore one of those backed up files just to make sure it worked.
Now, you also have a company slogan. I think we should hear that.
Oh, IT happens.
And if it does happen, call CBL.
That would be a good idea, yeah.
All right. And one final question. You're a private company. Any idea about when you might go public?
Not at this time. We've been self-funded and profitable since the beginning, but maybe sometime soon to take us to the next level.
Bill Margison of CBL, thanks so much.
Thank you.
And stay with us. We'll have more of the day's top stories coming up here on CTV Newsnet.